Lumerin's development team has been working day and night on Lumerin's protocol, and here are our developer updates. In our previous developer update, we let you know that we are working on our command line interface. Version 1 of our command line interface has been completed and pushed. This makes the beginning of our command line interface function. In addition, our API continues to expand its functionality for third-party integration. The API integration remains a major way to operate and interact with our products, and we are continuously working to enhance it. On another note, we want to introduce a groundbreaking system that we are integrating into the Morpheus AI project, the provider ranking system. Our new provider rating system is designed to evaluate and rank service providers based on several key metrics, including response time, accuracy, reliability, and user satisfaction. These ratings will help ensure that you always receive the highest quality service when you choose a model to interact with. This means that when you select a model to chat with, our system will automatically connect you to a top-rated provider for that selected model, based on the provider's performance and quality of service. To make sure that everyone can take advantage of the provider rating system, we are also optimizing it for scale. We are enhancing the system's ability to handle increasing loads, such as more users accessing the service simultaneously or adding more providers to the network. We have made a lot of progress over the last few weeks and are really close to entering the MVP phase. MVP means minimal viable product. It is a version of the product that has just enough features to satisfy early adopters and gather valuable feedback for future development. The MVP phase is going to allow us to test the core functionality of the provider rating system in real-world scenarios, collect user feedback, and make necessary improvements before the full-scale launch. As we work on these optimizations and gradually roll out the MVP, our goal is to ensure that our system delivers exceptional performance and user satisfaction right from the start. Thank you guys for your continued support and enthusiasm. If you have any questions, then leave it in the comments down below and we'll make sure to answer anything that you guys have.